100W4 Indiana 1. Retractable car charger USB Type-C cable for iPhone Samsun Fast CH. 100W4 in 1 retractable car charger. Are you looking for a car charger that can charge multiple devices at once? If so, the 100W4 in 1 retractable car charger is a great option. This charger features 4 ports, including 2 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and a cigarette lighter adapter. It can output a total of 100W, which means it can quickly charge your devices. The 100W4 in 1 retractable car charger is also very compact and easy to use. The charger retracts into a small, portable size, making it easy to take with you on the go. It also features a built-in flashlight, which can be helpful in low light conditions. Here are some of the pros and cons of the 100W4 in 1 retractable car charger. Pros. Asterisk compact and portable. Asterisk retractable design. Asterisk outputs 100W of power. Asterisk charges multiple devices at once. Asterisk built-in flashlight. Cons. Asterisk may be too expensive for some users. Asterisk not all devices may be compatible. Asterisk some users have reported that the charger gets hot when in use. Overall, the 100W4 in 1 retractable car charger is a great option for people who need a powerful and versatile car charger. It is compact, easy to use, and can charge multiple devices at once. However, it may be too expensive for some users and not all devices may be compatible. Here are some tips for using the 100W4 in 1 retractable car charger. Asterisk only use the charger with devices that are compatible with its output power. Asterisk do not overload the charger by plugging in too many devices at once. Asterisk keep the charger away from heat and moisture. Asterisk unplug the charger when not in use. By following these tips, you can safely and effectively use the 100W4 in 1 retractable car charger to charge your devices.